YouTube, we're at Aquatic Maintenance today, and we're looking at a mural. And this is the front of the store. It's pretty cool. It's got nice paint jobs on it. These are the dry goods. It's got tanks, all the chemicals you need. Not really chemicals, but yeah, chemicals. Tanks and decor and other stuff. And these are red-eye puffers. I almost picked these up. Almost. 70 for all three of them? Oh, maybe. But they need their own tank, and I don't have a tank for them right now. So, maybe.
But now it doesn't bother me. People kept taking flashes. I'm like, you can't. I don't mind you taking a picture, but it can't be a flash.
Nope, I do not use flash.
Shot the fish.
Right, and it creates a lot of glare off of the glass, so it's really not anything you want to do. Oh, the auto feeder went off on this one. That's cool.
Tomorrow's auto feeder day. We got to try and make sure every one of them's got food and the button works.
Oh, I love these angels.
Yeah. Some guy who breeds angelfish once, he's got some, I can't remember what he called them, red something. But, you know, I'm like, weird.
He's so goofy.
They can decide. Some guy said he'd pay $50 for them.
He would?
Yeah, because I'm only selling these certain fish at super high end because you're invested in them.
Right.
I can sell them to you for $20 and then he dies tomorrow, well, you don't care.
Exactly. These fish are supposed to live 12 to 15 years.
Yeah, or beyond.
Exactly. I mean, Oscars will live longer than most dogs.
Yeah, I mean, I think the fish I had in the tank in the front, I think they were close to maybe 20 years old, 25 years old. They didn't look too hot, but man, were they mean. Yeah, age has caught up with them.
Yeah. And now we're looking at the Saltwater. I don't really know much about it, but I do like it. And this is a little cowfish. He is so cute. I swear I would get a saltwater tank for him, but apparently they get big, so no. A little clownfish, tomato clown, I believe. Nothing in there. I believe there's a Hawkeye in there is what it's called, something like that. And another clownfish and a dog-face puffer. Don't know what kind of clown. There's a green spot puffer, a really big clown. I have no idea what those are, except for that little trigger. And I think that's more of those what's up top. Oh, and now we're on my favorite part, the plant rack. And I really wish that I had more space on my phone so I could record more. Because I missed a whole bunch of other tanks and stuff. But there's some really cool fish and plants. And if you did not know, he is rebuilding from the ground up from 2017, from having a store that he opened in the 70s, I believe. And for him to work for that long and then lose it to a fire, and he's just now reopening since last year in September. And this is where he's at today. And I think he's coming a long way and trying to bring people into this hobby, even though he's got competition right down the street of the wet spot. And back then he used to work with the wet spot and stuff when he was mainly just saltwater. And back then they had a lot of salt water, and who knows? I will come back and do more, for sure.